Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. In this video, we are talking about the great Excel DeFi powered by Excel Lab. So, what about the Excel Lab? Let's introduce to the Excel Lab. Ever since its inception in 2016, Excel Lab ecosystem is constantly developing to disrupt the current financial ecosystem, creating several platforms that uses cryptocurrency as its fundamental mode of payment. In 2017, the concept development of Exceltrip, a decentralized online travel platform, was proposed. A year later, it along with the beta version of ExcelPay wallet, Excel Labs' own decentralized wallet. In 2019, Excel Token Plus, an ERC20 token, was created and listed in over 15 top global exchanges to fuel crypto adoption across multiple platforms on a daily basis. Today, with Exceltrip, a decentralized OTA platform, Excel DeFi and other cryptocurrency holders can book over 2.3 million hotels and 450 plus airlines worldwide. ExcelPay wallet is a decentralized, non-custodial wallet is available for both iOS and Android users. ExcelPay wallet users can send, receive, buy, swap, store Excel DeFi and other ERC20 token and BEP20 token on secured ExcelPay wallet on the go. ExcelPay wallet features make it easier for cryptocurrency holder to buy, sell, swap, and trade cryptos using fiat as well as BEP20 and ERC20 tokens. The wallet has recently enabled FIO protocol in its wallet, allowing wallet users to initiate on-chain transaction with intelligible identifier or username that replaces traditional cryptocurrency addresses. Other than tracking performance on your cryptos, you can store them with complete peace of mind, as Excel Pay wallet is powered by mnemonics, QR code scan, and biometric recognition. Excel Lab ecosystem is powered by blockchain technology and has its own decentralized native token, Excel DeFi, in the next generation. BEP20 token supported with automated smart contracts. Excel DeFi is the governance token of Excel Swap. Excel DeFi can be used around the platform for swaps, staking, and yield farming. Furthermore, Excel DeFi can be used to shape Excel Swap's future, as the users have the right to vote for Excel Swap's project amendments and development. Excel Swap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain, and is built with motivation to support crypto community to trade BEP20 token that runs on Binance Smart Chain with the aid of user-filled liquidity pools. Its smart contract is audited by Certic. Excel Swap extends interconnectivity and ease to use. By using Excel Swap as cryptocurrency exchange platform, transaction become cheaper, faster, and smoother, more secure. XLD upcoming plans and projects. Excel DeFi major milestone for 2021 were as follows: Quarter 1, Quarter 2, concept inception, team development, pre-marketing, branding. Quarter 2, Quarter 3, token launch, publishing of white paper, adding listing on Exceltrip for hotels and flights booking with Excel DeFi across 2.3 million hotels and 450 plus flights. Introduce XLD yield farming and staking in Excel Swap. Introduce XLD as governance token on Excel Swap. XLD has been introduced as the governance token for Excel Swap and has been listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX like PancakeSwap, Excel Swap, and Bakery Swap. Decentralized wallet ExcelPay, decentralized travel and booking platform Exceltrip, LA token, BW Exchange. Excel DeFi has more plans for the future. By the end of 2021, Excel DeFi aims to be listed on most of the decentralized exchanges.